Hey guys, so in today's video I'm just gonna do baby girl number 2's name reveal. I apologize if you hear my little munchkin in the background. She's just playing with her little picnic basket sitting on my bed, and I'm still sounding sick, but I feel better. I just have some leftover gross stuff. Don't worry about her. She knows how to get off the bed. She's a year and a half. Almost 19 months actually, and she knows how to get down, so don't worry about her. So yeah, I know I said that I wasn't gonna reveal her name until she was born, but truth be told, I have like major pregnancy brain, and I cannot stop saying her name in my videos, and I have to keep catching myself and stopping and editing, and I just would rather, instead of me slipping and then you guys finding out that way, I thought I could at least announce it in a video. That way it's a bit more special, and I'm not very good, so I just figured that I would share her name with you guys because I just think it's time, and then that way it's not a secret anymore and I could just say her name over and over. I'm not very good at name reveal videos, so this is not going to be like a fancy, like cute, like name reveal. I'm not very good at stuff like that. So I'm just going to jump to the clip where I show her name, and then I will explain the meaning behind it. Baby girl's new name is Olivia May Hutter, and the reason we chose Olivia is because ever since I heard that name, it's just, I just love it. I think it's so beautiful and so pretty, and I know it's really popular. I think it might be #1. Actually, no, I think Emma's #1. It might be #2 on like the top 5 baby girl names, but honestly, I don't care. Like, I think when you pick a name, you shouldn't do it based on like popularity or trying to be too unique. You should pick what you like, because this is your child's name for the rest of their life. So just make sure you really fall in love with the name, and you can see it being classy and elegant for years, and it's just something that you and your husband really like. And I think nowadays people try a little too hard to be unique, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with being unique. I mean, my daughter's name is Blake. There's not too many female Blakes out there, but we didn't pick it because it was so rare. We picked it because we absolutely love it, and I didn't care even if it was popular. I would still have picked it for her. So we just love the name Olivia. We're gonna call her Livy, and so we'll have a little Blake and a little Livy. And the reason we chose May as a middle name is because Blake is named after my grandmother, my mother's mother, who I absolutely adored. She was one of the loves of my life, very close to her, and her name was Audrey May Allison. So Blake's middle name is Audrey, and Olivia's middle name is May, after my grandmother's middle name, and it's also my great-grandmother's middle name. So May is, sorry, Bea needed help getting one of her books out from behind her chair in her bedroom. Yeah, May is my grandmother's middle name and my great-grandmother's middle name, and I'm sure it goes even farther back than that, so that's why we chose May as a middle name, so that my grandma is now honored twice in both my girls. I tried thinking of other names, and honestly I just kept coming back to Olivia, so we're gonna have a little Blake Audrey and an Olivia May, and we are very excited. So finally the name is out there. Come here, sweetie. You want your drink? Your drink's out in the hallway, baby. You pull. Just trying to open the door. Pull. Good girl. So yeah, that's the name. We're very excited. We're very happy. We love it. And yes, we're gonna have a little Blake and a little Olivia. So yeah, I will show you guys the she wants to go downstairs. I'll show you guys the nursery decor soon, because I have pretty much everything. So yeah, I'm excited to share that with you, and we get to meet Olivia in 10 weeks. So I'm very excited. Thank you guys so much for watching and being patient with me. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.